Judge poised to deny block on DOGE firings and data access amid ongoing legal battles. In Washington, federal Judge Tanya Chutkan signaled a potential refusal to block the newly formed Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, headed by Elon Musk, from continuing widespread firings and accessing sensitive data across several federal departments. This decision emerges amidst an urgent lawsuit filed by 14 state attorneys general aiming to thwart DOGE's actions, citing constitutional violations. During a nearly hour-long virtual court session on Monday, Judge Chutkan, who has previously handled significant cases, including President Trump's election interference allegations, expressed her inclination to reject the temporary restraining order. This order sought to prevent personnel dismissals and data access within departments, such as education, labor, health, and human services, and others as part of a sweeping initiative under Trump's administration to reduce government size and expenditure. Judge Chutkan stressed the necessity for the plaintiffs to demonstrate clear and immediate harm that is irreversible. The difficulty in this, as noted, is the large-scale nature and the unpredictability of DOGE's operational methods, which complicates establishing a direct impact. "The things that I'm hearing are concerning indeed," Judge Chutkan remarked, "but I have to have a record, and I have to make a finding on the facts before I issue something." The lawsuit marks a significant pushback against Musk's considerable influence over DOGE, which the state attorneys argue exceeds the constitutional boundaries typically set for government officials not ratified by the Senate. Despite these claims, Musk's actions continue to draw both scrutiny and support as the administration presses forward with its aggressive reform agenda. This legal challenge is part of an extensive wave of litigation against Trump's executive actions since his return to office. With over 73 lawsuits filed, various courts have issued temporary restraining orders affecting other governmental functions, including a halt to accessing Treasury Department's sensitive data and a pause on dismantling the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Despite these legal hurdles, some court decisions last week favored the administration, allowing continued access to some records and endorsing a federal employee buyout plan. Trump, along with his administration, has criticized these judicial setbacks. Over the weekend, in a characteristic bold statement on social media, Trump underscored his administration's necessity to override legal obstacles, quoting, "He who saves his country does not violate any law." As the legal tussle continues, more hearings are scheduled, indicating a relentless sequence of judicial scrutiny over Trump's presidential maneuvers. The outcome of these legal proceedings will profoundly influence the administration's capability to implement its policies and could redefine executive power boundaries in the U.S. Thank you for choosing Satori News.